Welcome back, everybody. Before we start our update for SMCI, just a disclaimer: this content is just for education purposes only, guys. I don't provide any actual advice, and nothing shown here is guaranteed for profit or investment results. So let's get right to it, guys. For SMCI, doing fantastically good right now, even though it's pulling back 3%. The reason is we got the SPY is pulling back after hitting the all-time high around the 626. But technically for the SPY is still okay because right now it wants to have a little pullback around the 603, then we might have a reversal. So all the market is down, especially for Tesla, almost 6% because of the fundamental news. But for SMCI, this is not a big deal because right now we pulling back to retest this important support over the 44. As we discussed before, guys, we have a huge jump, we have a consolidation, we have now consolidation zone. We might have a little consolidation for this week before a retest for the $50. And of course, guys, once the market actually consolidating down or a bit of bearish side, we always discuss the other stock that we traded today. We call them unicorn stocks. Today we discuss MBio and Wolf and SVRV. Wolf was the best trade for us today, and with MBio because we already did short analysis update for it before the next jump over the $1.87, and right now is around the $2, almost the $3, guys. After we finish our live streaming, we did this update for Wolf, and of course we're gonna do another update for it because this one have a huge news today, and that's why it jumped again after the huge jump that we did last week. Again, guys, the link comes section below to our Discord and Patreon where we discuss those stocks before the jump. And of course, remember, guys, those stocks, we call them unicorn because they jump 130% and more. And see, the market for the other stocks is down, but for those stocks is actually, for this one is semiconductor, is jumping up over 100%. So we always catch those stocks every day, guys. So for now, for SMCI, we have a pullback, as we said, that because the market is pulling back, correcting a bit down. We don't have a flush, we don't have a mini warning or major warning for SMCI, because the whole market actually pulling down. For SMCI, is just pulling back 3%. Nvidia is just 1% or less. AMD the same 2%, so it's not big deal. Palantir doing all right because it's just still 3%. But for now, guys, we have to expect SMCI reversal and holding over the 44. The warning sign, of course, if we pull back around the 40. But in the big picture, if you see, guys, with me here, we still holding this gain that we did after the earnings. So as long as we hold over the 44 and the 40 in the big picture, we still have a chance to go up toward the 56 and ultimately around the $66 for this month, because we just started the trading session for this month just a few days ago or just 1 week ago. So guys, we're gonna do update again for SMCI and other stocks later on tomorrow, of course 30 minutes before the market open, if you're wondering, at our live streaming that we do daily. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and see you all by tomorrow.